Guys, so today we're going to do another super simple, really quick Python lesson. So today we're going to learn how to empty or clear a list in Python. So this is ridiculously quick and simple, so let's just jump right into it. Let's run our Python interpreter. Now we're actually going to need a sample list actually. So the easiest way to clear a list is just to say list. If your list is called list, say list.clear, called clear function, right? So to demo this, we're going to actually have to create a list, no big deal. So let's say if we have a list called list, right? List equals 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, right? There's our quick, simple list. Now if we type out list, all right, print out the contents, it's 1, 2, 3, right? Now if we say list.clear, now we print out the contents and it's empty. Got an empty list because we just cleared it. All right. Now let's say if we reinitialize our list. So there we go. We have some stuff in our list again. We could say del list and just go like this. Take a slice of the list. So we're deleting all the elements within a slice of the list, but you specify a slice by the beginning and ending point, and we just left those out, which implies the beginning and ending of the list. So effectively, this just removes a slice of the entire list. So we're deleting all the elements in a list. So let's just delete it. And now we check the contents again. It's empty. So there we go. That worked to empty the list. Now let's say if you just want to set every element in a list to 0. So let's just initialize the list. We see our list has 1, 2, 3. Now what if we said list plus equals 0? So apparently this, Paul, sorry about that. We want to say, there we go. So not plus equals, but asterisk equals, right? Now list, and it's empty. Now let's just show you that again, just give you a cleaner example. So we have our list, type list, we can see it has 1, 2, 3 in it, right? So say list asterisk equals 0, right? Now let's check the contents of the list. It's wiped out. So there you go. That apparently they're not stored as 0. It just wipes them out. So in any case, what else? So that's different from, say, if we created a list with 0 elements. So it's that really it's like it wipes it out. It doesn't set everything to 0. So it's different from if you had, say, for example, this. Yeah, this would be actual zeros. So that's not really setting every element to 0. That's just wiping the list out. Anyways, hopefully you found this useful and informative. Might want to give us a thumbs up. Might want to hit that subscribe button because we have more interesting content than this. We have a lot of simple stuff like this, but we also have a lot more, elaborate, advanced stuff too. We don't just cover coding. We cover servers, electronics, Raspberry Pis, 3D printing, networking, hardware, software, everything tech related. So a lot of great content you might want in your YouTube feed. So hit that subscribe button. Also, you might want to hit the bell icon so you don't miss videos when we release them, because otherwise YouTube probably won't end up telling you when we come out with a new video. But also, more importantly than any of that stuff, leave a comment down below because we want to know what you think. If you know something I don't know, have any questions, comments, criticisms, whatever you want to say, just leave a comment down below. And that's pretty much it for today. So as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.